Hello friends, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I want to stuff my coins. I have a lot of coins. I used to arrange them here, then I'll wrap them like these ones over here, like these. I have a lot of these for my bank. So today I'm going to arrange all these coins, and if I want to wrap them, I'll do so because I want to take the coins to the bank and get an actual money for our travel, which is coming up next month. So I'm super excited. So keep watching. Hello, hi. This is your girl Josie. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Today is another day that we are having a video. Let me make sure I have a little decoration here. So I have my coins thing that I cast off my coins. Because I'm a cast staffer, I get a lot of coins and I kind of put them together. I messed up. I used to have some on this tray. It fell down and I have some from my wallet. I haven't done this for a long time, so I have a lot of coins. But I want to show you guys something. So far, this is what I have. It's very heavy. So I have all this wrapped. So today, if I arrange them and it's full, I'm going to wrap them as well. So that's why I love being a cast staffer, because I get coins to staff, I get $1 and $5 to save. It's just so fun and it makes everything so fun. So I'm super excited to show you guys this. A lot of people have been asking me where I got this from. I got it from Amazon. I will leave my link in the description below so that in case you want to check it out, you can. I love it. Love it. So now let's go ahead and get started. I hope everybody is doing very well today. Our motivational message that I want to share with you guys is think differently. Think differently. It's okay to think different from some other people. It's okay to do stuff which is not normal. Yes, it's okay to think differently. So that's what I wanted to share with everybody. So since the coins is a lot, I really want to, like, when I take some, I will do it fast, then we will talk in between. I hope everybody is doing very well. This coins is a lot. So join me and let's do this. I really want to do as quick as I can, but as I'm doing it, I still want to talk to you guys as I'm starving these coins. So for those of you who are new here, my name is Josie. I'm a cast staffer. I am a YouTuber. I'm a mom of 5. Personally, I have 4, but I have my nephew with me. So I have 5 kids. I have my mom living with me, my husband. So we are into total of 8 people. So that's really cool. Large family, as I always say it. So it's not easy if I don't take care of the finances. It means we will screw it up pretty well, and we don't want to do that, because financial freedom, financial peace is great. So let me speed it up a little bit and I'll talk to you guys again. Okay, so I'm done with this one. I'm going to start the one in this one. So for those of you who are new here, I'm sure you are asking a lot of questions. I should have posted out there to see if people ask me a question. But one of the questions that a lot of people have been asking me, what job do I do? That I do cast staff a lot of money. My professional job that I went to school for, that you guys hear me that I have a lot of student loan, is I'm a pharmacist. It means I work in the healthcare. Where I work, that one I cannot say it on YouTube here, but I might have said it while I'm doing one of the videos so you guys can figure it out, but it's not really necessary to say it here. Because I'm a pharmacist, I see a lot of stuff when I'm working, and some of them are not fun. At times, some people can be mean, at times, some people can be nice. But that's okay. That's why we are working. So, me, at times, I don't really care. I will just be nice and move on with my life. I won't get bothered because you don't expect everybody to treat you the same way. So, it's okay. So, that's my main profession. But I have a lot of student loans. So I cannot compare myself to somebody who is working and they don't have maybe they didn't go to school for a long time like the way I did. I was in school for about 6 years, almost 7 years, and I'm quite a lot of loans. So some people say, oh, that's why you cast off a lot of money, because you have a lot of money. It doesn't work that way. It comes with a lot of student loans. So everybody is different. But all the same, it doesn't matter if you have a lot of money or not. When it comes to budgeting money, it doesn't matter how much you make. Some people may make less, but they take good care of their money. I'm just somebody that I really want to take good care of my money. My husband is the same way too. We don't want to be a bad steward with our money, because if we screwed up, we will screw it up. Our generation also will be screwed up, because we really have to take care of our generational wealth very well. So that's why we have to manage our money. So every penny count. That's why you see me cast staff and all this. I don't have money. That's why I'm cast staff in this coins. I'm not rich. So let me speed up again so that we can talk more. I think I'll be done soon. Yeah, that's another set. So we are moving on with all this. We have to put all this in here. If we finish, I can wrap some and we can put more. So from what I was saying, from those of you who have been following me for a long time, or if you just joined, you realize that I'm a believer because I like praying in my video. That's me. I believe in God. I believe in Jesus Christ, that he came to die for my sin. So that's okay if maybe you don't understand what I'm doing on this channel. Like I said, I am a believer. And I thank God I am, because if not that, I don't know where my life will be as now. I have a lot of testimony to share with you guys, but that one will be in another video. So if you are new here, I'm just an ordinary person, just like anybody out there, with kids, with work, with a small business. I work full-time. Depending on everybody, I believe that everybody is different, so people have a way of doing their stuff. I have done a lot of budgeting stuff, but the one that has worked for me is cast staffing. That's why you see me doing cast staffing a lot. That's what has helped me pay almost about 200,000 of loans from school. It has helped me be in a position that I don't have to borrow. It has helped me be in a position that I can decide to give freely. So I love this system. It doesn't work for everybody, but in case you want to try, in case you try so many budgeting system and it doesn't work, maybe it's time to switch around and try the cash staffing system. I did try a lot of stuff after school just to go out of debt, but none of them was able to help me save, was able to help me pay down my student loan. So you are welcome to join. In case you have any question about the cash staffing system, feel free and leave in the comment. I'll be so glad to share or to answer your question. Somebody may ask, so how do you use the cash staffing system? It's a very simple system. When you get paid, you cash up your money and you divide the money into the categories that you want the cash your money to do. So you first of all has to do your budget. That's the most important. I know most of you don't like budgeting, but that's one of the important. It's just a roadmap to show you where your money is or where your money has to go. So now let's speed up again, then I'll come back and talk. I think I'll be done soon. So if you are watching, thank you so much. Okay, so this is how far we are. I think I might have to wrap some, but let's see. This is the last coins that we have to start, and I'm super glad I'm almost done. In case it get full, it means I have to wrap some, but I don't think I have to. Let's see. And each of the hole has to take 5. That's how they did it, and it's really cool. So like I said, the first thing you have to do is budget, or if you want to do a cash staffing system. It's a very nice, simple system, not complicated. So I love it, and that's what I've been doing for about, let's say 2018. That I've been doing cash staffing, and it has really helped me change my financial system. It has also changed my family financial system, our mindset when it comes to money. So if you are new here, thank you for joining me. I do a lot about cash staffing, savings challenges, budgeting. So in case you want to subscribe, you are welcome to do so. Put on notification so that you don't miss any of my video. I'm super glad to have everybody here. If you have any questions about me, leave in the comment and I would love to answer. So this is what I did cash staff my coins today. I'm done with that one, and I do have this that I've already wrapped. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on that. Then it will look like this. So I have my wraps at the bottom and the actual money on top. Then I'll go put it somewhere that it won't mess up this time. Then anytime I need it, I just take it. So thank you for joining me today. I'll see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.